Good morning, my dear students. I'm happy to meet you all once again with a video presentation like this as usual. In this particular presentation, we will continue with the remaining problems on exercise 7.5 on integration from NCERT textbook. The fourth sum meant for today, this first sum, fourth sum from the textbook goes like this: x dx divided by x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. Now let x divided by x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 to be is equal to a by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 2 plus c by x minus 3. After taking LCM and cancelling out the denominator, I end up with x is equal to a into x minus 2 into x minus 3 plus b into x minus 1 into x minus 3 plus c into x minus 1 into x minus 2. Make it as equation 1. Multiply and divide by x minus 2 and x minus 3 here. Multiply and divide by x minus 1 and x minus 3 here. Multiply and divide by x minus 1 and x minus 2 here. Now substitute x equal to 1 in 1. We get, what do we get? 1 is equal to a into minus 1 into minus 2 plus 0, which implies a happens to be half. 1 minus 2 is minus 1, 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Now similarly substitute x is equal to 2 in 1. You mean to say LHS is 2. 2 is equal to 0 plus b into 1 into minus 1 plus 0, which implies b happens to be minus 2. Now substitute x is equal to 3 in 1. We get, what do we get? 3 is equal to 0 plus c into 3 minus 1 is 2, 3 minus 2 is 1. Therefore c happens to be 3 by 2. Therefore, the whole integral x dx by x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 happens to be, what is my a? A is half. Half integral d of x minus 1 by x minus 1 minus 2 integral d of x minus 2 by x minus 2 plus, of course, 3 by 2 integral d of x minus 3 by x minus 3, which is equal to half log mod x minus 1 minus 2 log mod x minus 2 plus 3 by 2 log mod x minus 3 plus c. That will be the final answer. That will be the final answer. Let me just explain the whole lot. I mean to say x dx by integral x dx by x minus 1 x minus 2 x minus 3 is the question. I will just write it down as x divided by the whole lot is a by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 2 plus c by x minus 3. After taking LCM and cancelling out the denominator, numerator x is equal to a into x minus 2 into x minus 3 plus b into x minus 1 into x minus 3 plus c into x minus 1 into x minus 2. Name it as equation 1. Substitute x equal to 1 here. 1 equal to a into minus 1 into minus 2 plus 0 plus 0. 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 into b is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 into c is 0. Therefore a becomes half. Substitute x equal to 2. 2 is equal to 0 plus b into 1 into minus 1. Therefore b plus 0. b is minus 2. Substitute x equal to 3. 3 equal to 0 plus c into 2 into 1. c is 3 by 2. For the whole integral now becomes half integral. Don't write dx by x minus 1 is log always, because you have students have this tendency to write even dx by x square log x square. It is not so. Remember the rule, d of f of x by f of x for some function f of x, it will be log f of x. For d of x is dx, d of minus is 0. d of x is dx, d of minus 2 is 0. d of x is dx, d of minus 3 is 0. For this dx is replaced by d of x minus 1. This dx is replaced by d of x minus 2. dx is replaced by d of x minus 3. And then accordingly, everywhere I have log x minus 1, mod log x minus 2, mod log x minus mod x minus 3. etc. You get automatically. It's not at all difficult to follow. Then the fifth problem goes like this: integral 2x dx divided by x squared plus 3x plus 2. X squared plus 3x plus 2. Since this is a problem on partial fractions, write it as denominators x plus 1 and x plus 2. The factors are, you can split the middle term and do. Factorize and splitting the middle term and do will be x plus 1 into x plus 2. Therefore, let 2x by x plus 1 into x plus 2 to be is equal to a by x plus 1 plus b by x plus 2. Therefore, 2x happens to be is equal to a into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 1. Now substitute x is equal to minus 1 in 1. What do we get? Minus 2 is equal to a plus 0, implies a is minus 2. Then of course substitute x is equal to minus 2 in 1. Minus 2 in 1. What do we get? We get automatically minus 4 is equal to 0 minus b, which implies b is equal to 4. Therefore, the whole integral now becomes 2x dx by x plus 1 into x plus 2. Now automatically becomes, my a is minus 2. Now for minus 2, integral d of x plus 1 by x plus 1 plus 4 integral d of x plus 2 by x plus 2, which will automatically become, let me just write over here, this portion may not be visible for you, minus 2 log mod x plus 1 plus 4 log mod x plus 2 plus c will be the final answer. This portion may not be visible at times. I will write here again if you want. Minus 2 log mod x plus 1 plus 4 log mod x plus 2 plus c. I have written anyway here. That is also written here also. You can anyway check. 2x divided by x plus 1 and x plus 2. I write it as a by x plus 1 plus b by x plus 2 and after taking LCM and cancelling out the denominator, I end up with 2x equal to a into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 1. Substitute x equal to minus 1 in 1, we get minus 2 is equal to 2 minus 1 is 1, therefore 1a, therefore a is minus 2, here it becomes 0. X equal to minus 2 becomes minus 4 is equal to 0 minus b, minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1, therefore b becomes 4. Therefore the whole integral now becomes minus 2 log mod x plus 1 plus 4 log mod x plus 2 plus c. That will be the final answer. You need to understand the logic behind the simplification, how to get the constants a, b, c, etc. If there are 3 such cases, I will be involved in another constant c also. You just simplify carefully to get the values of a, b, c, and then integral becomes anyway easier. Integral becomes easier. It is not at all difficult. It is not at all difficult to follow. It's not at all difficult. The previous problem can also be done without using partial fraction by adding 3 and subtracting 3. That is also correct. You can try if you want. Then for the sixth problem, before doing the sixth problem, for any integral of the form p of x by q of x dx, if p of x is of equal degree or greater degree as compared to q of x, we divide and proceed with partial fractions. It is a must. Partial fractions. The rule what we do here is dividend by divisor will be is equal to quotient plus remainder by divisor. That is what I am supposed to use anyway. The next problem is under this particular format. 1 minus x square dx divided by x into 1 minus 2x. Now actually the quantity being divided is minus x square plus 0x plus 1. This will be minus 2x square plus x. Minus 2x square plus x. This is my dividend, this is my divisor. Then minus x square by minus 2x square is half. Multiply this, half into minus 2x square is minus x square. This will become plus half x. While we subtract, it will get cancelled. I end up with minus of x. This plus 1 is brought down. Therefore, the whole integral now becomes 1 minus x square this much by x into 1 minus 2x. We call it as I. Will be is equal to half integral dx plus integral minus half x plus 1 divided by x into 1 minus 2x dx. I call it as half x plus I1. In I1, let minus half x plus 1 by x into 1 minus 2x to be is equal to a by x plus b by 1 minus 2x, let it be. Now therefore minus half x plus 1 will be is equal to a into 1 minus 2x plus bx. Now substituting x equal to 0 in 1, what do I get? We get 1 is equal to a plus 0, which will give you a is 1. Substitute x is equal to half in 1. You mean to say 1 minus 1, this will become 0. I mean to say 1 minus 1 by 4 is equal to b into half. X is half. Therefore 3 by 4 is equal to b into half. Therefore b happens to be 3 by 2. B happens to be 3 by 2. Let me just rub this part and proceed. I need the space to continue anyway. I'll continue over here. The whole integral now becomes I is equal to half x. My a is 1 plus integral dx by x, then plus 3 by 2 integral dx by 1 minus 2x. Practically speaking, half x plus log mod x. But I should not say simply log here, but derivative 1 minus 2x is minus 2. Therefore, what I will do here is, sorry, I should not use equal to sign here. Multiply and divide by minus 2 here. Therefore, this will become minus 3 by 4 minus 2 dx by 1 minus 2x. Therefore, this will become half x plus log mod x minus 3 by 4 log mod 1 minus 2x plus c. That is the final answer. This is the form dt by t, where t is my denominator. This is the form dt by t, but t is my denominator. Please understand. I'll explain once again. See here, since the numerator is of equal degree as compared to the denominator here, I have to divide and then proceed. My numerator is written over here, minus x square plus 0x plus 1. My denominator minus 2x square plus x, right in the descending order of the powers anyway. This is my dividend, this is my divisor. Minus x square by minus 2x square becomes half. Half into minus 2x square is minus x square. This 2 anyway gets cancelled. Half into x is half x. Subtraction gives you, this goes off. 0 minus half is minus half x. This 1 is brought down. Now for the rule says dividend by divisor is equal to quotient. Half is the quotient, half dx plus divisor. This is my divisor. Divisor by my remainder. This is my remainder. Remainder by divisor. Okay. Call it as I. Here half x plus call it as I1. Here I write the whole quantity here. Don't write integral dx etc. This quantity becomes a by x plus b by 1 minus 2x. The application of partial fractions. Therefore, minus half x plus 1 is equal to a into 1 minus 2x plus bx. Substitute x equal to 0 here. 1 equal to a plus 0. A is 1. Substitute x equal to half here. 1 minus 1 by 4. Minus half and half is 1 minus 1 by 4. 1 minus 1 by 4 is b into half. This will become 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 into a is 0. b becomes 3 by 2. Now for the whole integral now becomes half x plus dx by x, a is 1, plus 3 by 2 dx by this much. But derivative 1 minus 2x is minus 2. Multiply and divide by minus 2 here. This will become minus, this will form dt by t, minus 3 by 4 log mod 1 minus 2x plus c. That is the final answer. It is almost 15 minutes. The rest I'll continue in the next video. Thank you students for patient watching.